Welcome to another captivating episode of our Top Black Owned series, where we celebrate the remarkable achievements and groundbreaking ventures of Black entrepreneurs. In this edition, we delve into the world of venture capital, shining a spotlight on the top Black-owned firms that are revolutionizing the investment landscape. Prepare to be inspired as we unveil a curated list of visionary venture capital firms led by brilliant Black minds who are driving innovation, fostering diversity, and empowering underrepresented communities. Mac Venture Capital. Mac VC is a seed-stage venture capital firm that invests in technology startups, leveraging cultural trends and behaviors. They provide hands-on support in operations, branding, recruiting, and more. The team has diverse backgrounds and experience, with managing general partners Marlon Nichols and Adrian Fenty leading the way. Mac VC is associated with Cross-Culture Ventures, focusing on next-gen technology and consumer products. They're open to engaging with entrepreneurs and investors who are interested in the intersection of tech, culture, and hustle. 645 Ventures. 645 Ventures is a venture capital firm that partners with early-stage entrepreneurs to create and grow the next generation of iconic businesses. Founded by Nnamdi Okike and Aaron Holiday in 2014, 645 applies a data-driven approach to making investments in seed-stage startups. They've managed assets worth $500 million across 3 funds. Recently, they announced the raising of 2 new funds, a $195 million early-stage fund and a $153 million growth stage fund. The firm focuses on providing support in customer acquisition and retention, talent and hiring, fundraising, and round structuring. Their portfolio includes companies like Panther Labs, Eden Health, Resident Goatbelly, and Fiscal Note. With their experienced team of operators, founders, and engineers, 645 Ventures aims to drive the success of the founders they work with and make a lasting impact on the startup ecosystem. Base 10 Partners. Base 10 Partners is a distinguished team of founders, investors, and researchers who boast a wealth of experience in building companies with a combined value of over $3 billion and generating substantial returns. With a strong belief in the efficacy of data-driven decision-making, the team upholds values of humility, hard work, and dedication to serving the needs of both entrepreneurs and investors. Recognizing the pervasive inequality that exists in the tech and venture capital industries, Base 10 Partners has taken proactive steps to address this issue. They've launched initiatives aimed at supporting organizations fighting against inequality, committing a portion of their profits and interest to increase opportunities for minorities in these sectors. Moreover, Base 10 Partners is resolutely committed to investing in businesses founded by minorities and actively fostering diversity within their own organization at every level. Through their actions, Base 10 Partners strives to create a more inclusive and equitable landscape within the tech and venture capital communities. Impact America Fund. Impact America Fund is a venture capital firm that seeks to bridge financial and cultural disparities among marginalized communities, particularly people of color. Founded by Keisha Cash, the firm makes early-stage investments in tech-driven businesses that create new opportunities and frameworks of ownership within these communities. The team, composed of individuals with personal experiences and expertise, prioritizes business models that have the potential for both financial success and meaningful impact at scale. They value lived experience as a competitive advantage and strive for ethical, inclusive, and sustainable outcomes. Impact America Fund aims to support Black-owned businesses and empower communities of color. Fairview Capital Partners. Fairview Capital Partners is an investment firm that focuses on curating dynamic relationships for institutional investors, providing access to compelling segments of the private market. They specialize in venture capital, diverse and emerging managers, and co-investment opportunities. With a diverse team, they leverage their collective experiences to identify opportunities from multiple angles. Fairview also produces insightful reports and case studies, such as their market review of women and minority-owned private equity and venture capital firms. Recently, Joanne Price, one of the co-founders, was honored with the Rise Award at the Women of Color in Investments event, recognizing her contributions to the industry. Harlem Capital. Harlem Capital is an investment firm that focuses on early-stage businesses founded by women and minorities in the U.S. They aim to create impact by providing ownership opportunities to underrepresented groups. With a portfolio of $174 million across 2 funds, they have specific investment criteria that include a high-quality management team, disruptive business models, large market size, and attractive valuations. The firm values over-communication, data-driven decisions, and long-term vision, among other core values. They provide an investment forum for companies that meet their criteria and emphasize their ability to add value to the invested businesses. Harlem Capital was founded in 2015 and is committed to promoting diversity and inclusivity in entrepreneurship. Bronze Venture Fund. Stephen DeBerry is the founder and managing partner of Bronze Venture Fund, a socially impactful investment firm that aims to bring new technology, capital, and imagination to empower everyday people. With over 20 years of experience in Silicon Valley, Stephen has a strong background as an entrepreneur and investor in numerous companies. He's recognized for his leadership and advocacy in promoting diversity and addressing inequities in marginalized communities. Alongside his investment career, Stephen is an accomplished athlete and mountaineer. Through Bronze Venture Fund, he seeks to challenge the existing disparities and create a more inclusive and equitable society. Backstage Capital. Backstage Capital, founded by Arlen Hamilton, is a venture capital firm that is dedicated to investing in underestimated founders, specifically women and LGBTQ individuals. Understanding the glaring lack of diversity in venture capital deals, Backstage Capital sees this as a significant investment opportunity rather than simply a pipeline problem. They have already made investments in 200 companies led by underrepresented founders, aiming to provide them with the necessary capital and support to scale and succeed. In addition to their investment activities, Backstage Capital offers Green Room, a comprehensive platform that grants founders access to a wealth of resources, including news, podcasts, events, and valuable insights, with the ultimate goal of nurturing and empowering the broader entrepreneurial community. Through their initiatives, Backstage Capital is actively working towards creating a more inclusive and equitable landscape in the venture capital industry. Precursor Ventures. Precursor Ventures, founded by Charles Hudson, is a venture capital firm that believes in supporting entrepreneurs from the very beginning and helping them scale their companies. They have a set of core principles focused on investing in first-time entrepreneurs, promoting diversity, being patient in the journey of building companies, valuing intellectual curiosity, and prioritizing the founding team and market. Precursor Ventures typically invests in early-stage North American companies and provides investments ranging from pre-seed rounds to seed rounds. With the generalist approach, they make 20 to 25 new investments per year across software and hardware sectors. Collab Capital. Collab Capital is a venture capital firm that focuses on addressing the problem of capital access for Black entrepreneurs. Founded by 3 experienced founders, operators, and investors, Collab Capital aims to invest in and support great Black founders in growing and scaling their businesses to create wealth in Black communities. The firm values authenticity, empathy, integrity, and transparency, and believes in the power of the Black experience in solving unique problems. They prioritize impact and strive to create tangible change by providing historically excluded entrepreneurs with capital, resources, networks, and support. Collab Capital's approach to investing in and supporting Black-owned businesses is driven by innovation, curiosity, and a commitment to working toward a more inclusive and equitable future. We hope you found this exploration of the top Black-owned venture capital firms insightful and empowering. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more compelling content. We value your feedback, so feel free to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on the impressive Black-owned firms featured in this episode. Let's continue to support and uplift these visionary entrepreneurs who are changing the face of investment and driving positive change. Stay tuned for the next installment of our Top Black-owned series, where we'll continue to showcase extraordinary businesses and inspiring individuals. Thanks for watching.